Here's what you need to know about what is a hub. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A hub is a basic Layer 1 network device that connects multiple devices in a LAN. It broadcasts every packet it receives to all connected ports, regardless of the destination. Hubs have been replaced by switches in modern networks due to their inefficiency and security weaknesses. Key concept: Layer 1 physical device. Hubs operate at OSI Layer 1 physical. They have no intelligence. They simply repeat electrical signals out to every port without reading MAC addresses or IP addresses. Key concept: broadcasts to all ports. When a hub receives data on one port, it sends that data out every other port. This creates unnecessary traffic and means all devices share the same collision domain. Key concept: single collision domain. All ports on a hub share one collision domain. If two devices transmit at the same time, a collision occurs. CSMA-CD handles collisions, but performance degrades as more devices are added. Key concept: half-duplex only. Hubs support only half-duplex communication. A device can either send or receive at one time, not both. Switches support full duplex, which is why they replaced hubs. Let's look at the full breakdown. Hub, OSI layer, Layer 1, physical. Traffic, broadcasts to all ports. Collision domain, one shared domain. Duplex, half-duplex only. Intelligence, none. Dumb repeater. Switch, OSI layer, Layer 2, data link. Traffic, sends only to destination port. Collision domain, one per port. Duplex, full duplex supported. Intelligence, learns MAC addresses. Here's a real-world example. Imagine an old office from the early 2000s with 8 computers plugged into a hub. When one computer sends a file, all 8 computers receive that traffic, even if only one is the intended recipient. If 2 computers send data at the same moment, a collision occurs and both must retransmit. A switch eliminates both problems entirely. Quick recap before you go. 1. Hubs operate at OSI Layer 1 and have no traffic intelligence. 2. All connected devices share one collision domain on a hub. 3. Hubs broadcast every packet to every port, inefficient and insecure. 4. Half-duplex only. Devices cannot send and receive simultaneously. 5. Switches replaced hubs by operating at Layer 2 with per-port collision domains. That's what is a hub. Covered. Exam tip. On the exam, if a question mentions broadcasting to all ports or a single collision domain, the answer is a hub, not a switch. Switches create a separate collision domain per port. Next up, what is a firewall? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.